Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In this video, I'm going to start with a new topic, separating the components of mixture. We have learned that many substances around us, they are not pure. Chemically, they are not pure. They are made up of two or more than two components. And how these components, they can be separated, and how these components, they can be used individually and studied individually, that I'm going to discuss here. We have different methods of separation of the substances which we come across in our day-to-day life, like hand picking, sieving, filtration, etc. But there are certain more complex techniques by which we can separate the substances. Here we will study about those techniques. First, I'm going to take how can we obtain colored component dye from blue or black ink. Now, for this, we will perform an activity. Take beaker half filled with water. Place watch glass on the mouth of the beaker. Then put few drops of ink over it. On the watch glass, put few drops of blue or black ink. Whatever is available, you can put that. Now, heat the beaker from below. We are not to heat the watch glass directly. We are to heat the beaker. What you will observe? That evaporation that will take place. And you continue observing it and heating it till there is no change. Means you will stop heating when evaporation also stops. What you will see on the watch glass, there is some blue colored or black colored substance present on it. But the liquid or the solvent which is volatile, that is evaporated. So here, ink, I want to tell you, it is a mixture of dye in water. It is a mixture of dye in water. Okay? Thus, we can separate by heating the beaker on which this watch glass that is placed and few drops of ink is there in that watch glass. What you observe, that the volatile component solvent, that is separated from the non-volatile solute by the method of evaporation. So solvent will get evaporated and what is left behind, dye is left on the watch glass. Now you can study about the dye individually also. So this is one of the method by which we can obtain the colored component dye from the blue-black ink. Now I will take one example which you come across your day-to-day life. We know that there are variety of the milks in the market. Some are full cream, some are toned, or they are in the packets or in the Tetra Pak. So you take full cream milk in the test tube and by using the centrifugating machine, you can centrifuge it for 2 minutes. If that machine is not available in the lab, you can perform this activity at your home. You can use the milk churner or mixie for it. What you will observe that the butter that will be separated from the milk. Okay? So, but I want to tell you that if we filter milk from the filter paper, the particles, they are so small that they can pass. So here we have used the method. Which method we have used? Centrifugation. We have used the method centrifugation here. Okay? So what is the principle behind it? The principle is that the denser particles, they are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles, they stay at the top when spun rapidly. You can see this by visiting the dairy. There also you can inquire from them that how they separate butter from the milk or how they form cheese from the milk. Okay, so this is one of the very important method to separate cream from the milk. What is the application of this method? This method is used in different diagnostic centers to test urine or blood. This method is used to separate cream from the milk at your home or in dairies. So, and this method, centrifugation method, that is also used to squeeze the clothes. To squeeze the clothes so that water that is removed from the clothes. So this is a new method for you, centrifugation method, which is very important and you come across in your day-to-day life. So I have told you two examples of separating the substances into their individual components. In the next video, I will again take some other methods to separate some two immiscible liquids or two miscible liquids. So I will take those methods in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Thank you once again.